Beauties, it's me, Allegra. I have here, finally got my hands on the Sephora Advent Calendar 2023. So I figured we'd do a Sephora unboxing today of this Advent Calendar. It's the perfect time. The holidays are here. So now, guys, my first impressions though, this box doesn't look that festive, but that's neither here nor there. Let's unbox it. Let's see what kind of festivities and good fun is in this box because yeah, what do you guys think? Well, this is kind of festive. You know, I need the colors, I need the pizzazz to get the holiday feels, if you know what I mean. So, but let's go ahead and because it says right here Advent calendar, so it's got to be an Advent calendar, right? So otherwise I would just think, you know, but look what it says here. Let's stay positive. The future is yours. Yes, it is. Good vibes only. Okay. This retailed for $43, but it's said to have $93 worth of value. So it is valued at $93, but apparently I purchased it for $49, but I did actually get this at the Sephora event, so I got it for I got it for 30% off because they were having with the shop with YouTube feature down below. I'll have this link down below. They were offering 30% off. So now advent calendars are so much fun and they make an amazing gift. I think that especially a lot of people just love getting them, but I know I do because they're just so much fun. Now, do you beauties normally open day by day or do you open everything at once? I mean, normally I try to open day by day, but for today's video, let's go ahead and open the whole thing. Now that I'm opening it up and unboxing it here, it looks like there's a different scenario inside, more festive. So, oh no, okay, oh, okay. This is not your traditional advent calendar because normally there's the doors. I'm not sure what's going on here. I'm just gonna tear into it, beauties, and we'll find out. So okay, so what it is, it's a box and then boxes inside the box. Now that is really cute. Look at that. It's very easy to get into it and see what everything is because usually they have the doors and all kinds of stuff. So okay, let's go ahead and open day one. So here it is, and looks like a very nice size box. Now, I do believe these are all Sephora collection makeup items, and Sephora collection is so good and it's so affordable, and they're probably having a sale right now. They always have great discounts. So I know the eye masks are my fave. The lips are amazing. So this one here is, I think this is the Sephora collection mascara. Big lash. I think I've tried this before and this is amazing. Volumizing and lash multiplying effect. So beautiful packaging here. Very nice size. And oh, look at that wand. A very nice size wand. So this is a great gift. I mean, because we're definitely going to be unboxing 24 days. And this one is so good already. So let's go ahead and get into, where should I put everything so it doesn't fall? Let's go ahead and try out day two. Oh, it's another nice large box here. And let's go ahead and see. So, oh, it says here, scan and enjoy your surprise. So actually there's something additional that you scan. But oh my gosh, you guys, the face wipes. And how cute is that? That is so cute because normally this is kind of like a travel size. But their face wipes are so good. I don't know what it is. There's something to the cloth that they use that feels really good and really soothing, and I just love them. So these are actually the hydrating cleansing wipes. I currently do have the coconut wipes. Love them. They really have amazing products from Sephora collection and very, very affordable. And again, they usually do have sales. So now here is day three. It feels heavy, small box, but feels heavy. So let's see what this little puppy is. Oh, this is a nail polish. Clear polish. How cute. Maybe I could put some stuff here. We'll start putting stuff there because I should have planned this out better, you guys. Because where am I going to put all this stuff? Okay, here is day four. So let's see. Not too heavy. So, oh, what is this? Oh, yes. You guys, cucumber eye mask. I was just telling you, beauties. Did I get to tell you? I'm not sure. my brain moves faster than my mouth. Their eye masks are my favorite, hands down. I mean, I just purchased these ones, very pricey. I figured I'd try them. but still the Sephora collection ones are my favorite, and they're, you know, they're like about $4, but then they always have a sale. Okay, so what day? That's another thing with this advent calendar. Very hard to stay focused. Okay, here is day 5, because I'll forget what day we were doing. Okay, this is very light. Take care of your skin. Let's see what this is. Oh, a all day hydrator. So really nice. Looks like a moisturizer for your skin. Perfect. You know, I love little samples too, because I get a good, you know, assessment from a sample. I really will. So here is, let's see what this is, day 6, and a line that changes your look. What does that mean? Oh, I need this. This is a lip liner, and I needed a red lip liner so bad because I just got a red lip stick and I didn't have a red liner. I've used these before. These are exactly like high end, so I'm so glad I got this. I mean, this is exactly gonna be like, you know, the Makeup Forever pencil, lip pencil that's like 30 something dollars. This is performs exactly the same. Actually, I gotta get more of these in the nude colors because I do love a nude, but I needed a red, so this is perfect. And then let's see your beauties. Okay, let me just put, I don't want to lose anything because these are so little when you take them out the box. Here is day 7. So let's see what this is. It looks like more skincare, some kind of little skincare pod. It is cotton flower, flower duke. What? Flower cotton flower, bubble bath. Oh, that's the scent, cotton flower, and this is the bubble bath. Okay, can't wait to use that. Let me put that right there so I don't, again, don't want to lose anything. These little things, look at the box is big, but the things are little inside. So we don't want to lose them. So look at this. This is probably day 9. Okay, day 8. Okay. Oh, what is this? Oh, yes. This is a good one. A beauty sponge. Who doesn't need it? And it feels very soft. I've actually never tried the Sephora collection beauty sponge, but so far, do you guys like that noise or not? Crinkling. Okay, it's very nice and soft, so it's not. And then I love when they have the indentation because it just hugs, and then the tiny pointed part for under your eyes. So this is, and then the flat part for doing all over. This is good. This is really good. Okay, let's see here, guys. So that was day 8. Now let's go to day 9. So, ooh, it's got the eye on it. Focus on good. Yes, focus on the good, guys. We got to keep focusing on the good, and no matter what. So here is a cleansing gel. Can't wait to use that. Let's put that right there so don't lose it. So that was 9. And then let's see, where's day 10? 10 and 9. Do you guys see it? Do you guys see day 10? Let me know. Do you see it? Or did we, well, maybe we just opened 10. Oh no, here's 10. Here is 10. So beautiful little flower. And let's see here. Is this, what is this? It feels like a mirror. Oh, it's a gua sha stone. Yes. Because I have these and I lose them. And then I'll watch a video and I'm like, need to get another one because I see someone using it and showing all kinds of amazing results. And I'm like, you know what? Need another one. And look how beautiful this is. This beautiful opal color. Oh, this is really nice. Now, hopefully I won't lose this one because, again, I've been watching just different you know, you'll see a new trick, a new way to use it, and then I've lost my other one, or I have it at home, and you know, I'm like, I wish. Okay, what I'm trying to say is tonight's the night. I'm gonna be using that tonight. I'm gonna try out all the tips and tricks. Okay, here is, let's go for day 11. Imagine how much fun this is though to get as a gift. So definitely, if they're not sold out, I would highly recommend one. I'll try to link it down below with the shop with YouTube feature. But here is a charcoal nose strip. Cannot wait. I haven't used those in so long. It probably is going to come up black. It's going to come up black when I'm done with it. Okay, here is day 12. I'm going to have fun tonight. I'll use my gua sha stone, that thing, that pore strip. Oh, here's a beautiful, you know, pale pink nail polish. That's my color. Love that. Love everything. These nude tones. What day was that, guys? Let me know. I can't remember. Okay, was that? Oh, that was 12. Okay, here is 13. So, oh, it looks like, okay, now I know what it is. It's a bubble bath. I wouldn't have known that before. So this one is the Manoi, I think. I'm probably saying that wrong. It sounds like something Hawaiian bubble bath. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And let's see what, now I forgot again. I get so excited I forget what day I was on. That, okay, let's, hopefully this is it. 15? I don't know, guys. Let me try to remove some of these boxes because it's getting crazy here. 10, okay. Oh, 14. You see? I almost messed up. Okay, here is 14. Good vibes only. Yes, guys, good vibes only. So important. And I hope this is another, this looks like a face mask. Okay, can't wait to use this. I'm going to be having so much fun. This is their matcha tea face sheet mask. Never tried this, but again, love their eye sheet mask for the eyes. So I'm sure that's going to be amazing. I'm going to use that maybe tonight. I'll get to use that. And then, oh, look at that, 15. Now it says red lips every day. So is this a lip, you guys, to pair with that lip liner? Yes! Look at, oh, that's nice. I'm set for the holidays right here. This, because I actually had one of these. I used the whole thing up. I loved it so much. Formula is amazing. These are the Sephora liquid lips. They're just unbelievable. They're exactly like anything high end. So here is day 16. Let's see what day 16 is. Always on hand. Oh, is this a mirror? It's a little mirror, so cute, very festive. Let's put that right there. And then let's see, looking for day 17. Lips are made for kissing, yes they are, and snacking. We gotta get our snacks, right? And kissing the pups, and kissing the kids, and kissing the family, and all that. So, oh, here is a cherry lip mask. So that sounds really nice. I'll put that right there. And then 17, 18. Guys, imagine you got this as a gift. I mean, this is so many gifts in one. This is amazing to give. Oh, look how cute. It's a beautiful scrunchie with the festive kind of colors. Love that. And so that is 18. And did I open 19? I don't see. Maybe that was 19. Oh, no, maybe this is. Oh, thank goodness. I thought I lost it. Here's 19. It says, let's see here, nails. Nails before anything else. Oh, beautiful red nail polish. Look how cute those are. Oh, that would be a cute mani if you did red with the pale pink tip. Wouldn't that be beautiful? I would love to do that. And I don't know if I can, but I would love to. And let's see, 19, and then where's 20? Oh, here's 20. So this one is strong to the tips of my nails. Another oh, beautiful nail files with the really festive pink and orange. Love that. And then that was 20. So here is 21. Let's see here. It's what? Oh, what's this? Is this another eye mask? Yes, caffeine eye mask. I love these. I've been wearing them like crazy. I bought a bunch during the sale, and I love them. They're so good. So I'm so glad I got another one. Okay, we have 23 and 24 left. So here's, oh no, we have 22, 20. So here is 22. And oh, this is another skincare goodie. Eye cream, brightening eye cream, which is very good. It's very, very good eye cream. And let's see what this, oh, beautiful crystals. Are these for your face? How pretty. Or your nails, maybe? What does it say? Shine, baby, shine. And then let's see, here is day 24. We finally made it to 24. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is a Sephora eyeliner. 12-hour colorful liner. Beautiful. What color is this? Oh, it's black. So I thought maybe it might be this kind of sea green, but it is black. So that's great because I love black eyeliner, to be honest. Like that, I will get a lot of use out of it. It feels very creamy, and I've never tried this, but it's so creamy. Wow. So this is an amazing advent calendar. You know, I was kind of looking for the festive colors, but all in all though, you don't even need, you know, festive. It is so good. This is amazing. I do believe the value in this is worth every penny. I mean, this, oh my goodness, this, even the gems, the crystal gems, I'm gonna even give a lot of this stuff away. Like I know my little family members love these. They put them all over. So I'm gonna be giving these away, little stocking stuffers. although most of it I am going to use myself. I mean, this sponge, and again, I mean, was able to get this on sale. It was 30% off of the $43, so it's like $12 off of four. So it came down to like 30 something, whatever. I can't do my girl math right now. Yeah, it was about 40 minus 12, 30, 28. Somewhere around $30. Let's leave it at that. This is amazing. This would make a great gift. Hopefully they still have, I don't know if they still have these because I was actually trying to find, I was looking online and I didn't see it, but hopefully, you could get one because this would make a great gift for yourself or a loved one. But anyway, beauties, thank you so much for coming today and checking out my Sephora unboxing, this Advent Calendar 2023. Let me know what you think of this box. I hope you're all doing good. Let me know how your holidays are going so far. I hope that you are having a good and festive time. And that's pretty much it, dolls. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you beauties very soon.